Good morning student. We are going to study the chapter 1 input output devices of computer. In the previous classes we learnt about the input process output cycle means IPO cycles. This cycle simply explains the process of how a computer works, which is when a computer takes input, it processes it and give an output. During this process, a computer uses input devices to take the inputs from a user and output devices to give the desired output to the user. They fall under four categories: input, output, storage and processing. The input unit of the computer consists of those devices that we use to enter data into a computer. Example: touch screen, camera, scanner, microphone, mouse, keyboard, joystick, webcam and trackball. Mouse. A mouse is a hand movable input device that controls the position of the cursor or pointer on a screen. Commonly used with desktop computer. Types of mouse: two buttons with wheels, optical mouse, no trackballs, wireless mouse, no tail. Scanner. A scanner is a very useful input device. You can place a page of writing or pictures in the scanner and it will send the information to your computer. There they can be changed, saved into a computer file or printed. Microphone. Microphone is an input device to input sound that is then stored in digital form. The microphone is used for various applications like adding sound to a multimedia presentation or for mixing music. Keyboard, which is the most important input device of a computer. A keyboard is a device used to input or enter data into computer by typing. A standard computer contains 104 keys. These keys can be divided into different type of according to their function. For example, alphabet keys, number keys and arrow keys. Central processing unit. This is referred to as the computer's brain as it does the processing job of the computer. This means that is the responsible for manipulating the data. Now the output devices of the computer. The part that shows the result or output after the processing is called output units. Example: speaker, monitor, headphone, printer are the example of output devices. Printer. A printer is a peripheral device that produces a physical copy or hard copy of a computer. There are two types of printers: impact printers and non-impact printers. Speakers. They are connected directly to a computer and uses of the speakers are used to output sound from multimedia presentation used in home entertainment centers, can help blind people play downloaded sound files. Now the topic is memory. Like a human, a computer has memory to store the data and the information. In the computing, memory refers to a physical devices used to store programs or data on the temporary or permanent basis for use in a computer or other digital electronic device. The memory of the computer is divided into two parts. First is the primary memory, which is also known as main memory of the computer, and second is the secondary memory. Main memory or the primary memory is divided into two parts: random access memory and read only memory. Read only memory, ROM. It performs only read function, not write functions. So the data stored in ROM cannot be modified. ROM is non-volatile memory. Random access memory, RAM. RAM is used to temporarily store data that is currently in use by the computer. RAM is known as volatile, which means that it will only store data as long as system has power. Once the system is turned off, anything stored in the RAM is automatically deleted. RAM is also known as the temporary storage. What is the secondary memory? A memory which stores data and programs for a long period of time is called secondary memory. This memory can also be called backup storage memory or mass storage media. Example of the secondary memory are floppy disk, hard disk, CD-ROM, DVD, zip disk, pen drive, micro card, etc. as the secondary memory. Now the main topic is difference between the primary memory and the second memory. Primary memory is the main memory of the computer where the currently processing data resides, whereas secondary memory is the auxiliary memory where the data that has to be stored for a long time or permanently is kept. Primary memory is directly accessible by CPU, but secondary memory is not directly accessible by CPU. Primary memory is usually volatile and secondary memory is non-volatile memory. Primary memories are made of semiconductors and the secondary memories are made of magnetic and optical materials. The speed for accessory data of primary memory is faster, whereas the speed of secondary memory is slower. Primary memory is an internal memory, whereas the secondary memory is an external memory. RAM and ROM are the two types of the primary memory, and examples of the secondary memory are hard disk, compact disk, CD, DVD, pen drive, flash drive, etc. Thank you.